Táitireh good programme a Coig Giag. Welcome to programme 15, in which we're going to be looking at giving orders and instructions. Today, I'm in a wood near Killearn, and I'm going to be trying to get through a survival game without getting too much paint all over me.
Iach sin.
Oh, tapalech.
A bhfuil sibh dé seol?
Chanel. Chanel me jesol. A bhfuil sibh jesol. Are you ready? A bhfuil sibh jesol. Ha mi jesol anish? Ha mi jesol anish. I'm ready now.
Enga three-tip. Tuking maha. Shias.
Shears. Down. Shears. In more normal circumstances, people might ask you to sit down, which is sayiv shears. Sayiv shears.
Gafon Mulishka, is Misha Mardinik Gunochi.
Ah, Madini Kunochi. See if she is.
Oh, look.
Sí síos a gráid, sí síos. Haló, isgur ma.
Esgur ma. Cymar hasio.
Chaneltáid a tachbalh, a bheith sibh a géirí deoch.
Ha tapalaf. Isge be mar ser toli.
Gabhah me leiscail, uisce bé agus vodka is tonic, má sé ar tolle. Cléfa. Siomh síos.
Tapalaf.
Sayiv shears. Sit down. Sayiv shears. And the less formal version, say shears. Sit down. Say shears.
Grosavarov. Tuking.
In that last scene, the woman said, Chanel, Donna, not bad. Chanel, Donna. She also asked whether her guest wanted a drink. Joch. A bhfuil a géirí joch. Do you want a drink? Eiste bhríist, and look out for the phrases sayiv shears and say shears.
Sí síos a gráid, sí síos.
Cymar hasio.
Chaneltáid a tachbalh, a bheith sibh a géirí deoch.
Ha tapalaf. Isge be mar ser toli.
Gabhah me leiscail, uisce bé agus vodka is tonic, má sé ar tolle. Cléfa. Siomh síos.
Tapalaf.
Furichiv minach. Shalov.
Furichiv minach. Wait a minute. Furichiv minach. Note how the word giving the order always ends in an iv in the polite or plural form. Furichiv. Wait. Look out for orders and instructions in Ekenteich, especially Furichiv minach and halav emach. Go out. Halav emach.
Showy, show mommy. Glissa Hadav. Halav amach. Oh, but he didn't manage. Halav.
Hala amach. Go out or get out. Hala amach. Furich minach. Wait a minute. Furich minach. And the more formal, halav amach. Go out or get out. Halav amach. Furichiv minach. Wait a minute. Furichiv minach.
Showy, show mommy. Glissa Hadav. Halav amach. Oh, but he didn't manage. Halav. Glissa Hadav.
Seo grai.
Oh, Ian! Tapele! Ach, Jeha! Jeha!
Wel gyri isge beher.
Daddy? Join, hava, gresort, ha mami a geri su orange.
Tapele, Dilly. Oh, tapele, Joey.
Slantje wagrai.
Slantje waaiheid.
Talking. Yes. Hello.
Furihiv on its own just means wait, and halav means go. Here are some more situations, and look out for Furihiv minach and halav amach.
Kimi feskeru. Alles der schöne Mass hava. Grisost. Schöne.
Sia trí céile hen?
Hallo, a bhfuil Anna ag an tai.
Ha, fydych of minute. Ha mi dwli cwa breid.
Seanna Bob.
Carst ma ha, fydych of minute.
In that last scene, to ask who was speaking, the question ko ha a brian was used. Who's speaking? A brian speaking. Ko ha a brian, who's speaking? Eiste veriist.
Hallo, a bhfuil Anna ag an tai.
Ha, fydych of minute. Ha mi dwli cwa breid.
A bhfuil Jeshol.
Ha.
Shoot.
Shuid means go on, and the more polite or plural form is shuidiv.
A bhfuil Jeshol.
Ha.
Shoot maha.
Wel, ik erig al amach nog.
Chanel, de wil u heen?
Daniel.
A film ma had een television nog.
Wel. Jane Hannum had een film.
Casablanca. Een toilet Humphrey Bogart.
Getal.
De wil u Giori allemaal. Oh, shoot ma. De wil u Jeshel en Eel?
Ha. Shoot of maha.
Tiani.
Shuath. Go on, shuath, and the polite or plural form, shuathiv. Go on, shuathiv.
Have a look at those scenes again and listen out for the orders shuid and shuidiv.
De wil u Giori allemaal. Oh, shoot ma.
Sia sin.
Shin Stilton. Shaw. Fiach of Shin.
Carst ma ha. Ja, ga tell hem sin nietje.
Fiach of Shaw maha.
De wil u Jeshel en Eel?
Ha. Shoot of maha.
Tiani.
Trotef.
Troidiv means come on, troidiv, and the less formal, troid. Look out for troidiv and troid in the following scenes.
Trot Roda.
Hammy Chien, I'm coming. Hammy Chien.
Bishop Tang.
Ha. Sal.
O a sin magrai. Gleva. Through Daniel. Show Anish. Shoot maha. Hala.
Tapdalai.
throw it. Come here. Throw it. And the plural or polite form, throwative. Come here. Throwative.
All right.
Well, we made it, and we won, didn't we? Yeah! In that last scene, the word thrang, busy, was used. Thrang. Each of reached while we go and get cleaned up.
Leis a trang.
Sal.
O a sin magrai, gleva. Throw it, Daniel. Show Alish. Shoot maha, hala.
Apparently, I now have to drive round an obstacle course in this Jeep. Blindfolded. But I will have the help of my teammates, though. And I hope they know the difference between right and left. Right is Jess and left is Clee. Jess agus Clee.
Ceast maha, ha sin fallaf.
Nisha, gafod o hochgeth. Jess. Clee. Catch fel ydol.
Can you listen?
Jess. Shoot.
Ha sio dwli?
Gafod o hochgeth. Clee. Jess. Start.
Fyrich minach.
Fiach a ríist. Cleva. Cymorst. Start. Sinead.
Whoa, smashing.
Fashit ma.
Ah.
Fashit ma. That was good. Va shit ma.
Dwi'n yn Doris, mae set the holly.
Sinead.
Dún and Doris. Shut the door. Look out for Dún and Doris and Drasta. Dún Doris i grau. Show it, Dún and Doris. Tafela.
Dwi'n yn unach gyda'i, hai ffwr.
Jehorste?
Dwi'n yn unach, hai ffwr.
Ceast maha.
Dún and Doris. Close the door. Dún and Doris. The polite or plural form is Dúnev and Doris. Close the door. Dúnev and Doris.
Dún and Doris. Close the door. Dún and Doris. And Dún and Inyak. Close the window. Dún and Inyak. Eisht of eisht. Listen again. Dún Doris i grau. Show it, Dún and Doris. Tapra.
Dúine núneach gráid, hai fuair.
Tíhurste?
Dúine núneach, hai fuair.
Ceist me ha.
The opposite of Dúin Doris is Forskel and Doris. Open the door. Forskel and Doris. Look out for Forskel this time, and also the more polite or plural form, Forskluv. Forskluv.
Cymmer hawn diw.
Hag ma tapalib.
Fasgol dy fial. Fasgol. Clefa.
Fasgol an Doris. Fasgol an Doris. Tapla.
Foskel and Doris. Open the door. Foskel and Doris. And the polite or plural form is Foscliv and Doris. Open the door. Foscliv and Doris.
Fasgol dy fial. Fasgol.
Fasgol an Doris. Fasgol an Doris. Tapla.
Foskel and Oris. Foskel and Oris.
Tapad.
Natuurlijk. Kaatje wil je niet al een neus.
Femi gol gan vanke.
Kerst me ha.
Chilik.
Scudia minute.
Another common command you might hear is skurje. Stop it. Skurje. Look out for skurje in these next scenes.
Shoot ma, kumorst.
Tapele. Okay. Chilik.
Hey, skurje.
Oh, natuurlijk.
Skuduvje.
Skurje. Stop it. Skurje. And the polite or plural form, skuriv. Ye. Skurivje.
Hey, skurje.
Oh, natuurlijk.
God ma.
Skudje.
Fulish minach. Shawnish. Sushia.
Skuduvje. Na Jianshin.
Najianshin. Don't do that. Najianshin. Look out for Najianshin in Ekenteich this time.
Owen, na Janshin, skurje. Alles Dúin Doris.
Owen. Skurje.
Na jian shin. Don't do that. Na jian shin. The polite or plural form is na jianav shin. Don't do that. Na jianav shin.
Tapeli.
Sherbert.
Na Jianshin or na Jianiv shin. Don't do that. Eerste voor eerst.
Owen, na Janshin, skurje. Alles Dúin Doris.
Owen. Skurje.
Ami dulich, Daddy.
Sjoerd de verwami. Daddy? Foskel en bochtel, Owen. Ach, tyle, di owen.
Sé dú bheith, Éili.
Go mammy.
Cymar.
Ta-da!
Trwyd Eli y grael. Y fel yw giori piwr fig. Wel, ham I dwlich y grael. Ach, chaniel.
Ia! O!
Owen, sgwrgie.
Chanel. Ach, ti a siom ha. Chanel mi tug sin.
Carol, Mrs. Coates.
Mrs. Coates.
Mrs. Coates. Ach, siawdd. Siawdd sio. Ta-da!
You are now qualified to drive the following types of vehicle. Aye. Leave that of me.
Agus, Joey, ha opper ek mami. Ha mami, het al de gopper en maroch.
Eh? Opper? Houd al de opper. Jel met tiksing.
Ha met al de gopper, aan de noffisch straat sochi hol. She, klerach, a hanem.
Yes. Gleef aan, mami. Gleef aan.
Houd al de opper. En maandag. Ans de gaar. Oh, gleva. Gleva.
Furig me net zeer en het Janshin. Zo. Machine. Electric.
In that last scene, the teacher used the phrase marchen, like that. Marchen.
Machine. Electric.
Na Tianchen. Scuth Yelan.
Well, sinné son a program show. That's it for this program. In Nahuris, next time, I'm going to be house hunting and looking at the home. Until then, march and leave.
In this programme, we introduced you to Suyif Shias. Suyif Shias. Halav Amach. Halav Amach. Shuadav. Shuadav. Troadav. Troadav. Dún and Doris. Dún and Doris. Foskel and Unyak. Foskel and Unyak. Skur ye. Skur ye. Na Jian Shin. Na Jian Shin.
Good program is Shiajiag. Welcome to program 16. And you, hami aunan glaschu, agus hami adov a choyat erson tai. Today, I'm going house hunting, Not for myself, but with a friend of mine. In the programme, we're going to be looking at the home, and the word for house is taich, as in our drama, Eckentaich.
Hallo, wil te waar ik een day?
Ha.
Kapelet.
Hallo, Wadi. Gestjag. Ja.
Welke maar.
Gaat je wel gewoon naar rij?
Gaan jullie zakken?
Casserole, Daddy.
Houd zijn huis.
Ounce and taich in the house. Ounce and taich. Hi, kom maar huis.
Ga ik maar tafelet, wil u heen komen?
Ha?
Hij vloeg. Te dienstje.
Casserole, Daddy.
Houd zijn huis.
Just as a taich how Geori, taich more, flat, your bungalow.
Gaan jullie zakken? Ah, zo laat ik spiersworf.
2 rooms, kitchen and bathroom. Not bad. There are 2 words in Gaelic for room. Shomer, shomer, and room. Room. We'll be sticking to room for the moment.
Pescar ma. I'm a gary room, Maser Tolly.
Gleva. Gee, en dan je maar.
Ines Mackay.
Ah, show. Room met Val.
Trot maar.